Hello. As you see from the name of the video, I will be teaching some of you who don't know how to bird whistle, how to bird whistle. Also, I'll talk about what I think about the new GameGrumps. Not like you care, but you know. Okay. First, you put your hand out like this, right? And you put your hand right here and make like a little cup. A little cup like that, right? Your thumbs. Okay, your thumbs say rest on top of your index finger, and you put your lips you right below your fingernails. That's where your top lip goes, and your bottom lips goes where this little lump is, right there. Then you blow down slightly, like kind of like this. It still takes me a while to get a hold of it. You can also do this to adjust it. I'm not the best example, because my hands are kind of goopy, but you kind of get the point. Now that that's out of the way. About GameGrumps. I was a bit sad to know that John's gone, but I'm a fan of his JonTron videos, and I'm glad he's going back to them. And Danny, at first, he was a bit annoying, but I mean, he kind of sunk in. Kind of like an anchor in a swamp. Not sure how that goes, but you know, go figure that out still. What else? Oh yes, my birthday is going to be in 14 days. None of you know this, but I'm going to be 13. Yes, 13. I will finally be able, not be able, I will finally be a teenager. So yeah. That's about it. What else? Oh yeah, Steam Train. No. 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 I hate that show. It's not funny. Stop. Go. Go. No, it's not good.
I like it.
It's not good. Stop with that.
I like it.
That's all I can say. Anyway, bye.